All right, guys, I want to show you this. This is Majestic 1 with a very nice outdoor living space. I've kind of showed you a little bit about it, and just it's getting a little closer to being done. And of course, you can see the landscaping's looking great. Real pretty. Nice front porch. I like that little added deal there. There'll be a chandelier up here. Let's check this out. Then we're gonna have all this here. We'll have this cedar here. This is very open, but we'll have the cedar planking up here on the ceiling. It'll look awesome. Check out that fireplace, the flagstone all the way to the top. Place for a nice mantle and TV. We did do the glass doors on both sides here. The rest of it's gonna be all screened in, so you could do the hurricane shutters later if you'd like. Check out the pavers. We're gonna have a bar and refrigerator and water and all that fun stuff here with a grill, so everybody will be set to have a nice little party out here. And then let's pop out here real quick, just to show you how much backyard you have. You have plenty of room here for a pool, and it is looking great. So let me know what you guys think, and let's get this thing sold this week.